Are you looking for the best professional rotary tattoo machine? Here are 5 of the best machines on the market. These machines are perfect for experienced tattoo artists who are looking for a reliable and durable machine that can produce quality tattoos. So let's get started with the list. List number: Ambition Soldier Rotary Battery Pen Tattoo Cartridge Machine. The Ambition Rotary Battery Tattoo Pen Machine is the best choice for you to have a good time. The machine has built-in Japan coreless motor and 10V. It can work with 3x 650 mAh lithium battery. The 3x 650 mAh lithium battery mentioned above can charge the machine after being charged for 3 to 4 hours. The output voltage can work for 5 to 6 hours. Only need 1.5 to 2 hours to fully charge at 8V input voltage. Ambition Rotary Battery Tattoo Machine, built-in Japan coreless motor, 10V, 250-watt rotary electric motor with high torque and high efficiency. CNC carved aluminum alloy frame with double rivet, durable and lightweight. The versatile machine can be used to create a wide range of designs and styles. This is why it is considered as the most ideal pen machine. You will enjoy using it on your body. It has made your life more convenient. List number: Mass Tour Tattoo Kit Wireless Rotary Pen Machine. The Mass Tour Tattoo Kit Wireless Rotary Pen Machine is a professional tattoo machine that has an emergency power switch and can be plugged into a standard electrical outlet. The body of the masked machine is made from high-quality aluminum and gives you the ability to work on your custom designs quickly and easily. Gently and smoothly transfers ink to skin. Suitable for all skin types, Mass Tour Tattoo Machine could be bagging very easy. Made for traveling and need to place easy tattoo artists. The device is easy to use, with a beginner's guide that provides step-by-step instructions on how to get started as an artist in just minutes. The machine is lightweight, compact, and easy to use. It features a convenient foot pedal, which allows you to control the speed of the machine. The wireless tattoo power supply is a LED light that provides high and efficient performance. The wireless tattoo power supply can use about 6 hours, depend on personal usage and tattoo machine. List number: So Long Tattoo Pen Kit Rotary Tattoo Gun Machine. So Long Tattoo Pen Kit includes all what you need to get started with a tattoo kit. Sleek design, delicate and practical. Lightweight, easy to carry and store. The 10-watt motor is 8 times faster than the traditional tattoo machine motor. The carrier penetrates the skin with less force, reducing the chance of tears and cuts. The rotary tattoo machine set is designed and tested by our professional tattoo artist. It allows you to master copy and real design of your favorite tattoo. Easy to charge and carry. Applicable mobile phone adapter. This tattoo gun is one of the best tattoo guns on the market. Its high-quality material ensures many years of use. This So Long tattoo pen is a good choice for you to start tattooing. List number: CNC Rotary Tattoo Pen Machine. With the aero-grade alloyed aluminum structure, this CNC rotary tattoo pen machine is easy to carry and convenient for use. The high-quality XI motor has a powerful and low vibration, which is suitable for making stroke length changes with custom fonts or creating professional shading or lining on your tattoo surface. With this convenient system, you can always enjoy 5 stroke length at will, according to their own preferences, including lining, color packing, and shade fitting. The fold pen is suitable for artists of all skill levels. This pen allows you to make stroke length adjustments. No need to change the needle. The fold's unique design hides the pen needle and cartridge inside the body of the pen. Open the pen and release the cartridge from the pen needle. It will be ready for use by retracting the needle. Fold the needle back into the pen body, and you have a convenient carrying case. List number: Dragonhawk Extreme Rotary Tattoo Machine Carbon Steel Machine. The Dragonhawk Extreme Rotary Tattoo Machine is a versatile tattoo machine with 7 different speed settings. The lightweight design makes it feel virtually weightless on the hand, allowing for easy movement during use. Its ergonomic design makes it perfect for multiple users, with special emphasis on professionals in need of an extremely high-quality rotary machine. The fish scale appearance and metal base adds style to your workspace. The Extreme is great for that hard-to-fill space between narrow areas of the body. The Dragonhawk Extreme is a versatile rotary machine designed for a wide variety of work, such as color packing, light black and gray shading, and heavy black filling. In addition to its ergonomic body design and the feel of virtually weightless performance, this rotary tattoo machine offers 7.5 to 8.5 volts for color packing and shading, 8 to 9 volts for lining,